Hello and welcome to WolfVision Insights, where it's about digital signage today. Starting from the Cynap Pure, your device of the Cynap product family can become an information point in your building. It can not only display static content or moving contents, but also interactive contents that you can use if you're connected to a touchscreen like we have, for example. The information point can be, for example, a menu of your cafeteria, or it can be room plans or escape plans, maybe a time schedule that is displayed automatically or with user interaction. So you can just switch between contents and give the information to all of your visitors or maybe employees in the building. Just with a small press on the below or bottom right corner, you can turn off the screensaver or the digital signage and start working with the Cynap as it's meant to be.